We know that finding the exact information you need can be difficult. Here we show you how to search the HRB National Drugs Library using our simple search page. Search our complete collection by clicking the search link on the menu. It may be useful to consider your search in terms of one or two keywords. You don't need to include the word drugs or substance, as most of our collection relates to these. The simple search gives you three options. You can use the title, subject, or all field search boxes. The title search box is used, as its name suggests, when you want to find a specific publication, or it can be used to find everything we have with your keywords in the title. So, if for example you wanted to know about cocaine treatment, type these two words in the search box and click search. Your results will show everything we have with those two words in the title. Please be aware, however, that this title box only searches publication titles, so you may get some very relevant results, but will probably miss many items in our collection that are about your topic, but where the word isn't mentioned in the title. This is why the subject search box is useful. When we add a new publication to our collection, we assign subjects or keywords to it. For more information, please see our video on library subjects. If we type our two keywords into the subject search box and click search, our results bring back all results on those two subjects. Where we have more than 20 results for a publication type, such as article, click See All Results. If you get too many results, go back to the search page and add an extra word. Or if you get too few, remove a word or use the final option. The All Fields box. This searches for your words including in titles, abstracts and subjects. For common words like cocaine and treatment, you will get too many results. So we suggest you use this All Fields box primarily for rare or unusual keywords. For example, if you're interested in nightclub settings, we don't use the subject nightclub, so you wouldn't get results using that box. Using the All Fields and type nightclub, you get quite a few results. If you click on one or two of the most relevant and look at their subjects, you can see we use the subject, social, cultural, or entertainment event. So you can type that into the subject box or click the record to see all related publications. Finally, just to mention the options all of or any of. These are equivalent to and or in other databases. All of means you want to find publications with all of the words you enter. If you choose any of, you will find publications with any of the words you enter. For example, if you are interested in finding publications on the physical health effect of drugs, you could type in heart, lung, digestive. If you left all of, it would only provide results where all three were in the publication. By choosing any of, it picks up the publications where even just one is included. The simple search is most useful for a quick search. For a more detailed or controlled search, use our advanced search page, which has more options. Every library collection has a system for organising items. The most famous is, perhaps, the Dewey Decimal System used in public libraries. Because we are a specialist library, we use a special system. Ours is based on an alcohol and drugs thesaurus that was developed in the United States and has been modified over the years. You can view our full list of subjects in a number of ways. click Subject on the search page, or click HRB Library Subject Keywords in the blue section of each page. When we add a new publication to our library collection, we assign subjects to it. These are like keywords that describe what the publication is about. They are used to group publications on similar topics together, and so that if you search using the subject field, your results will show everything we have on that topic. Here are top-level subjects. The number beside each one is the number of publications we have on that subject. These are on the top level, so each has other subjects below. So for example, if I click on HJ treatment method or recovery, you can see subjects under that heading. And again, if I click psychosocial treatment method, there are more subjects. At the lowest level, you will see all the items in our collection on that subject. You can browse these subjects to become familiar with the terms we use. When you search our collection, you can combine 2 or more subjects. For further information on searching, view our search videos. Here we show you how to manage your advanced search results from the HRB National Drugs Library. You may first wish to look at our advanced search video. We'll use an example of a subject search for death, and we limit our search to more recent publications, so everything from the year 2020 onwards. We want all types, so we can leave that blank. Let's click search to see what comes back. Today we can see 713 results for our search. That may be fine and you can skim through them, but if it is too many, then refine your search. Perhaps you have decided that you are actually interested in deaths caused by overdose. So add the subject overdose and click search. That gives a more manageable 224 results. You can, of course, refine this further. You could, if you wish, just tick articles and reports, or perhaps Irish related if you want to see items relating to Ireland. However, let's tick reviews. Click search again. And we can see now that we have 14 reviews with the subject overdose and death in their collection. You can view the full publication record by clicking on the title. You can see the full reference for the publication. Underneath you will see a link to the full text or sometimes the PDF of the full article. You can see more details and the subjects we have assigned to it. Clicking back to the results page. Your results will be shown in date order with the most recent first. You can reorder your results by author name, title, item type, or by oldest first. That was our video showing how to manage results.